Hello everyone, once again your Anuja ma'am is with you to present the next video of class 6 biology. I hope you all are enjoying the video related to your subjects. So let's start the first chapter, second part, plant life, the leaf. Okay, earlier you were studied in this chapter about the parts of leaf, function of leaf and different thing. Now today I will start the leaf modification in the leaves. That means कि especially the mainly function of leaf is to synthesize food. That means the main function of leaf is photosynthesis. But as per the need, sometimes the leaf are modified into different structure and perform different function. That's why today we will start the modification of leaf, the new topic. So the first modification that you are also observed around you, the first modification, the leaf modification for support. That means first one is the for support. Now what is for support? That means some plant leaves are modified into leaf tendrils. The plant leaves are modified into leaf tendrils, and the tendrils, these are the coiled and soft structures. They just coiled around the support and they are sensitive to the support. वो क्या करते हैं, support के around grow कर जाते हैं and it provides support to the plant, and this is known as the leaf modification for the support, and you will easily see it in the pea plant. I am going to draw the structure and you can easily see it. This type of structure is there. And these are like the tendrils. These are tendrils. As I told you, these are coiled around the support. Where the support is there, suppose we put one bamboo here and these tendrils are going to around this support and help the plant to grow. And you can see it in pea plant. Okay. So the next modification is for protection. The second one is for protection. And why this protection is required? That means in some desert plant, when the plants grow in the desert, at that time what happened? They need to reduce the loss of water from the plants through the process of transpiration. That's why the leaves of plants, they just modified into the spiny structures. One example is there, the name of that example is prickly pear. In this prickly pear plant, what happened? The leaves, this type of leaves are there, they are just going to develop spines on their margins. And what this spines help? They do the two things. What they did? First thing, they reduce the loss of water. Reduce the loss of water. And one more important thing done by the spines, that means these structures are known as the spines, and they also protect the plant from grazing of the animals. They protect the plant from grazing. Okay, that means for protection what happened in desert area, the prickly pear, it just modified its leaf into prickly structures called the spines, and this spines, it helps in the reducing the loss of water, and it also helps the plant to protect from the animals. And I already told you the example here, prickly pear. Okay, so these two modification I told you, and the next modification for the storage of food. So the next example, third one is for food storage. Now, in food storage, how the leaves are modified? Exactly, in onion leaves, the dry leaves become fleshy and thick. In onion, dry leaf becomes thick and fleshy. To store food, and the leaves are arranged in the concentric ring form. Leaves arranged in concentric ring form. They are arranged in the concentric ring form. Okay, so I hope you all are understanding what I am explaining you. I am just going to draw the structure. This type of structure they are forming. Okay, so I hope you all are understanding how leaves of onion modified and store the food. So the next thing is, the next modification of the leaf is for the capturing insect. The next one is fourth one, for capturing insects. So the thing is that why it is necessary to capturing the insect. So the reason is that some plants, examples are the pitcher plant and the Venus flytrap sundew. These are the some examples of the insectivorous plant. That means those who takes the insect. So those plants, they are just grow in the nitrogen deficient soil. They grow in nitrogen deficient soil. Which plants? I told the example, the Venus fly trap and pitcher plant. These plants grow in nitrogen deficient soil, and to fulfill the requirement of nitrogen, they just trap the insects, digest them and fulfill the demand of nitrogen in their body. That means कि इनकी बॉडी में डाइजेस्टिव जूस पहले से प्रेजेंट होते हैं. व्हेन दे ट्रैप द insect went inside the body and they digest and trap the nitrogen which is required by these plants. So how these modifications are there. This is also very important. In this type of plant, the leaf blade, is modified into, in pitcher plant I am telling you, the leaf blade is modified into pitcher like structure. Okay, the another part, the leaf apex, it forms the lead, it forms lid. That means the cover, it is just like this type of structure, and this one is the lid. Okay, so leaf apex form the lid. The petiole of leaf, it hold the pitcher on correct position. It holds the pitcher plant on the correct position. So this type of modification is just we are observing in the insectivorous plant. Okay, so these are the leaf modification, and now the last topic of this chapter is vegetative propagation. So the last topic is a vegetative What is vegetative propagation? That means multiplication of plants by the different parts of plant, whether it is stem, it is root, it is leaf. So we will study about the vegetative propagation by leaves. The example is bryophyllum. What happened in bryophyllum leaf? It is generally just a guava-like leaf. In this leaf, what happened? The adventitious roots develop on the margins of, these are the margins of the leaf, and here adventitious buds are developed. These are the adventitious buds. And what are adventitious buds? That means the arising of bud from the any part of plant. Now these buds separate from the mother plant and fall on the surface of the earth, and when they get the proper amount of soil, water and sunlight, and then they form the new plant. Okay, so I think all of you are just understanding whatever I explained you today. This is the last topic of the chapter. Watch the video and try to understand the things, whatever the things are explained. Thank you.